friends, welcome to my channel. Long story short, I decided to create this channel to help us all get by. What does that mean exactly? I'm going to share with you some of the shortcuts that I have with food and other lifestyle categories to get us all by on a daily basis. So with that being said, let's get into my first video, the easiest air fryer wings you'll ever make. So I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but lots of grocery stores offer pre-seasoned chicken wings in the butcher area, such as Byyy from Whole Foods. I normally try to make my own from scratch, but sometimes I'm lazy AF and can't be bothered with that. Or if I'm craving Wingstop, but don't want to spend lots of money, this is a good alternative too. Okay, so what I have here is a pound of pre-seasoned wings from Whole Foods. So this was about $4.19 a pound. I find that a pound will usually yield about 10-ish wings. So if you're cooking for two, definitely get 2 pounds. From there, I'll line the bottom of my tray with some foil. Trust me, this will make cleanup a million times easier. All right, so from there, what you're gonna wanna do is literally just dump this into the tray. Because these are already pre-seasoned, you won't need to oil anything. Okay. So what you'll wanna do is after you lay these out, go ahead and bake them at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes and let those cook all the way through. Once they do, we'll flip them over and bake them for another 350 degrees at 7 minutes. So go ahead, pop these in, 350. Okay, then let the magic begin. Beep, beep. Okay. So, this is what they currently look like. That was cooked all the way through for 8 minutes. So go ahead and flip them over. Just apologies if the camera's being crazy. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. These smell delicious, y'all. Okay, now we pop them back in for 7 minutes. Almost done. So y'all, I did wash the tongs in between, so we are not touching raw chicken with cooked chicken, okay? Okay, y'all, there's about a minute left on this. Tonight for my sides, I'm going to do some frozen fries because I am truly that lazy and it's election night. There's a great deal of anxiety, so just let me be. Okay, so I bought some organic fries from Whole Foods because, you know, at least they're organic. So once these wings are done, I'm gonna go ahead and toss these in some avocado oil and bake for 10 minutes. This is what they look like after a total cook time of 15 minutes. To my friends who want to use a meat thermometer, internal temp for chicken wings needs to be 165 degrees. I've made these too many times to count at this point. It's all good, haven't died yet. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and take them out to let them cool. And also this is dinner tonight. Had to make sure I counted because, you know, hubby and I get the same amount. We don't play those games about he gets more and I get less. We get the same because I'm a hungry girl who likes to eat. So 350 for 10 minutes and it should be good. Final product, y'all. Look at this golden crispy deliciousness. That ranch pile looked prettier before this. So, and then just to check it out, look at that easy cleanup. Oh, side note, make sure to flip your fries halfway through so they at least get golden brown throughout. Okay, and that's it.